It is your boy Q Souls, and I am back with another video for y'all. If you are new to this channel or haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell to turn on notifications. I got videos dropping consistently, and I promise you do not want to miss any content that I have to post for you guys. Also, if you're interested in some sneakers that's coming into my closet or just some personal things that's going on with my life outside of YouTube, follow me on social media. That's what it's there for. I got Twitter and Instagram. The link is always in the description. My tag names are @QAcre_. As always, you know, in every video, just make sure y'all follow me on social media. Show me some love there. But today's video, I got a special video. I wouldn't say special, but I got something different for you guys. I'm usually just bringing heat for you guys, showing y'all reviews, showing y'all pickups that I got recently. But today, me and my family are going to Orlando. That's just like a thing that we do here in Florida. If you live in Florida, everybody want to go to Orlando. I know they got Disney and all that good stuff, blah, blah, blah. We ain't going to Disney, but Orlando is just a spot to be in most cases. But anyway, we are just taking a break from our lives here. It's just been a stressful couple months, especially with COVID. It's just a lot going on right now, and we just think everybody just needs a little break. So my auntie rented some Air BnBs in Orlando, invited family over, and we're just gonna have a good time. And today's video is gonna be a vlog for you guys. Hopefully we hit the Nike outlets while we're out there in Orlando, so I can give you guys some footage of that, what they have sitting in the outlets. Maybe I'll pick up something, maybe I won't. I'm not too sure yet. You know, I don't really decide. Sometimes shoes just call my name, and then, you know, I gotta pick them up when they call. I don't really go to the store and say I'm finna buy some shoes. Sometimes they just be calling me, and my wallet hear it, and I just buy it. I ain't even gonna lie. I gotta take the hit. If they call me, I gotta buy it. But yeah, I'ma actually go. This intro is longer than I expected already, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna be right back. I'm gonna go to Orlando. I'm gonna see y'all when What is good, YouTube? I am back. We finally pulled up to Orlando. We are at our Airbnb. It's hot. I'm not gonna lie. It's at least 110 degrees out here. I cannot lie, but I like where we at. I don't know what this is called. I don't know what this place is called. Like I said, my auntie, my family got this rental, this Airbnb, this things of that nature. But I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right into this quick house tour for you guys. I did get a quick sneak peek of what we was working with, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all, man. I'm telling you right now, y'all are going to want to see this. up, guys, man? I hope you guys enjoyed that tour of both Airbnbs. I will not have footage of anything that we're doing out here. I know a lot of people probably wanted to see that, but I have been spending this time just enjoying time with my family and taking a break off the life that I had back in Tampa. But anyway, like I said, I do have something to show you guys, and it is these right here. Sample Industries. If you guys don't know what that is, if you are familiar with the YouTubers BULL1TRC and TONYD2WILD, they started their own streetwear fashion brand called Sample Industries, and recently they just dropped these right here. Sample Industry slides, the black version. These are the 2.0 version. Retail for $35, and I just wanted to show you guys. I feel like this unboxing is appropriate for the the type of video that this is. We are out here in Orlando, me and my family, spending time at the pool, spending time outside, just getting a break from everything. I just wanted to show you guys these quick slides though. All black, fits to your feet very well. They do have sizes 8 through 13. As this video is dropping, they did have those sizes available. I would highly recommend everybody going to get a pair, especially to support them. Real OGs of this sneaker YouTube channel. I know a lot of sneaker YouTubers look at them, view them, get inspiration from them. I know that's some people that I did get inspiration from myself. So yeah, Sample Industry slides, very dope slides. Really hope you enjoy this unboxing. But yeah, I'm about to go back with my family and enjoy this time out. But before I leave, you already know I got to get the ending rundown. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit that like button. It helps me out a lot. Great feedback. This is my first a day in the life type vlog, and if I get a lot of likes that I like or think is a reasonable amount, I'll think about doing more videos like this so you guys can see maybe like sneaker trades and things actually go down in real time. Also, if you're new to this channel or haven't done so already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to turn on notifications. I got videos dropping consistently, and you do not want to miss any content that I have to drop. If you want to follow me on social media, go ahead. Links in the description. This, that, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm talking about. But lastly, I got to end off with a quote. And today's quote is also a very short and simple one. Trust in your timing. Everybody believes, especially we're in the age of social media, everybody thinks things are supposed to happen instantly. We're supposed to have a Benz truck by 21, run our own business by 23. Things do not happen like that. That is somebody else's life. Make sure you trust in your time and trust in yourself. We all have a different route, a different journey in life, and as long as you trust in yourself, you will never get too overly disappointed on where you are in life, but it will also keep you hungry enough to keep pushing towards the goals you have in life. So, with that being said, aim high, spread love. I'm out.